How are you? This is my R2-D2.
Hey, what's going on, people? Hope you guys are doing good. Today we're going to be talking about a brand new portable air conditioner from Midea. This is the Midea Duo. It has a lot of innovation and tech inside of it that I think you guys are going to be interested in. And take it from me, since my air conditioner went out not too long ago, this thing can cool a space down really quick. It's rated for 12,000 BTU, and it's rated to cool an area up to 450 square feet. Installation is really easy, and it's just like Midea's other portable air conditioners. They give you everything you need right inside the box. The instructions are really clear and easy to follow, and they have steps for different window types. So if you have a hung window or a sliding window, they have instructions for both of those. I have a hung window, and it took me around like 20 to 30 minutes to install this portable AC, which isn't bad at all. What makes this unit unique is the fact that it's Midea's first hose-in-hose design. So if I pull it out here, you can see we have a hose inside of a larger hose. In a nutshell, it forms balanced air circulation indoors, and it prevents hot air from seeping into the room through gaps around doors and windows. AKA, it's gonna cool things down more efficiently and effectively, like I said. In terms of its design, the unit looks really modern, and it's very compact considering how powerful it is, so it's gonna save you some space. It does have like a gloss type finish, so you gotta be careful of fingerprints and smudges, but it's really easy to clean. Just some Windex, spray on it and wipe it, and you're good to go. It has these handles and it has wheels on the bottom, which makes moving it around really, really easy. And the wheels roll like butter. Roll like butter? What the hell does that even mean? This is the cable buckle. You do have to install it, but once you do, it gives you some type of cable management. So if you don't need this long cable while it's plugged in, you can roll up the excess cable. And whenever you're not using it, you can just unplug it, wrap it up, and then this right here just gets plugged into the back to keep the cable nice and tidy. So up top, we have an array of buttons right here used to control the unit. The first controls the swing of the vent right here, and it doubles as a Wi-Fi button. So if you want to connect it to your Wi-Fi to take advantage of the smart home features, you're going to want to use that button. And we'll talk about the smart home features here in just a bit. You have a timer button, you have a mode button, you have two arrows, an arrow pointing down and an arrow pointed up, used to adjust the temperature. We have a fan button. We have a sleep button that doubles as a filter reset button, and then we have a power button. And you also have like a little LED display right here that will show you what the temperature is set at. So if I turn on the unit, you can see the temperature right here. This unit is a 3-in-1. It features high-powered cooling, AKA it's an air conditioner. It's also a dehumidifier, and then it features multiple circulating modes for fan control. So you can really cool down a space just using the fan and then angling the pitch and swing of the vent itself. Speaking of efficiency, the Midea Duo features variable speed inverter technology, meaning that it can cool a room or a home using less energy. In fact, it uses 40% less energy compared to the US federal standard. On top of all of the efficiency benefits you get from the inverter and the Duo hose design, the new optimized air duct system allows for 2 times stronger cooling versus other standard systems. This new air duct system amplifies airflow, and it allows air to travel 26 feet further, which is incredible. You can control all of this airflow using the new vent, which features dynamic 102-degree swing technology. The Midea Duo is a very powerful unit, but it's also a very quiet unit. For instance, I have it set to auto right now, and the temperature is set on 75. And you can barely hear it. Midea says that it's around 42 dB. However, real world tests, at least my test, have shown it to be between 42 and 44 dB. For instance, I'm sitting maybe 2 feet away from the unit, and I have a little reader right here, and it's showing around 43 dB. The Midea Duo can connect to your Wi-Fi network, and then you can enable all of the smart home features, including app control. Doing this is super easy. All you have to do is press and hold on the swing button for 3 seconds and then go through the setup process on the app. Once it's connected to the app, you can control the temperature of the AC, you can switch to a different mode, you can control the swing, the fan speed, as well as different modes and runs down here. You can also adjust like a sleep curve, enable boost, set a schedule. You can adjust the LED lights. and you can even control the sound. Once you connect the Midea Duo to the Midea app, then you can start connecting it to your smart home. So whether you have Google Assistant or the Amazon platform, you can start controlling it using your voice using those services. Let me just show you, for example. Alexa, turn on Midea Duo. So it just turned on. Now I can also say, Alexa, set Midea Duo to 73 degrees.
The AC is set to 73.
So it just set the temperature. And now I could say, Alexa, turn off Midea Duo. And it just turned off the unit. Outside of controlling the unit with the app or smart home functionality, they include this nice remote, which controls the unit entirely. So we have a power button, a mode button, a favorite button for saving like a certain preset to a temperature or mode or setting. We have a set button for setting the temperature, up and down arrows for adjusting the temperature. We can adjust the swing of the vent. We have a fan button, a timer on and a timer off button. We can adjust the LEDs. We have a night mode or sleep mode setting, and we can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And we can lock the remote by hitting these two buttons. And we have a nice LED display up here to let us know what's going on. So if I turn on the unit, you can see it gives us all of the information right here on the display, including the mode that we're in, the temperature, the fan speed, and the battery level of the controller. Maintenance on the Midea Duo is really easy. All you have to do is look on the back side right here. Put your thumb or finger right here, pop open the little vent, and then clean the filter. When it's clean, you're gonna slide it back in and then lock it like so. And once it's in nice and tight, you're gonna press and hold the sleep button to reset the filter. So you're just gonna press and hold the sleep button for 3 seconds, and that's it. To go along with cleaning the filter, you might have to empty out the water every once in a while, especially if you're using the dehumidifier. And to do this, you have a middle drain hole right here, and then you have the continuous drain hole right here, which you can use this hose for. Now, the unit will beep 8 times and display a P1 on the LCD display, and that means that the water level is full and it needs to be emptied. If you're using a continuous drain method, you won't get a warning since it will be draining into a bucket or your outdoor area. When it comes to the Midea Duo, I can honestly recommend it. I mean, I had to use this unit to cool my entire downstairs area when my AC went out, and we didn't have AC for like 2 weeks. It was really disgusting, especially being in Florida. And this kept my entire downstairs area nice and cool, and it's much bigger than 450 square feet. Even though that's the rating for this unit, it can do a little bit more. If you have any questions regarding the Midea Duo, feel free to drop me a comment down below or reach out to me on social. And other than that, appreciate Midea for sponsoring this video. I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.